How to make the world's longest licorice rope with Matt Myers.
Hello, I'm Matt, creator of the world's longest licorice rope. Welcome to the Licorice Factory, also known as my studio. In here, an idea can become a treat or just a mess. First, I play with words and pictures. Will the red rope circle the moon or just the house? Who is this kid who thinks he's got the best treat ever? Would he share it? Did he buy it? Who sold it to him? And who else might be waiting at the end of Ben's rope? Like a recipe, a picture book needs to be short and easy to follow. But it also needs a pinch of the unexpected, something that somehow enhances all the other ingredients. Here's where all the lumps get worked out. Do we really need that line? Does that scene stop the flow? Time to see what others think of it. Too sweet? Plot not chewy enough? The ending's not quite right, but how do you end the world's longest licorice rope? Like Ben, I'm feeling tired and a bit lost. But after mixing things up a bit, I'm able to follow the red rope wherever it might lead me. Finally, I get to make the real thing. I start with pencil, then add ink, then watercolor dyes. Not to be confused with food dyes used in actual licorice. After some last-minute digital work, my treat gets packaged up and delivered to a local sweet shop. I hope you'll enjoy the world's longest licorice rope as much as I enjoyed making it.